Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to find your public IP address using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type cmd. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. In the command prompt window, type nslookup space myip.opendns.com space resolver1.opendns.com and press enter. A list of network details will appear. Here you will see your public IP address. This is how you can find your public IP address using command prompt. Thank you for watching.